Alright, so after getting the Surround 3-pin throttle installed, you can see my wheelies aren't the greatest. Something to get used to again, going from that half twist to a full twist, but we'll definitely get used to it. Now, I was going to do the SuperMoto wheels in this video also, but I don't want to make it too long. So next video, we will be making and installing our own SuperMoto wheels, really. Kind of didn't want to order the Electro & Co. ones for the ETM or the MotoTec. Sold out, $300. You can get your own, you can make your own set for half the price if you know what you're doing, and it's not very difficult. So in the next video, I will be showing you guys how I'll make my own SuperMoto set for the MotoTec 48 volt. Stay tuned. Alright, so parts for the MotoTec SuperMoto wheel setup came in. Got the 12-inch 36 volt front rim. We've got the Kenda Quick 100 by 90 12s, and let's get the install. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with this front rim here, so I don't have to remove the rear one off the bike just yet, and see how everything goes with the install on this. If it's pretty simple, then we know the rear will be nice. Before I actually get these tires mounted on here, I'm going to double check the balance on this rim, and then we'll get everything mounted. I'm not going to show that, but let's get to it.
Electric wheels are spinning round, kids and laughter, all the sound. Upgrading faster, feel the breeze. 30T sit for TD8 with ease. Screwdrivers and Sunday sun, DIY just adds the fun. MotoTec wheelies down the lane, simple projects ease the pain. Riding with the fam so free, electric vibes for you and me. Feel the joy, another mile. Family fun never goes out of style. Bikes and scooters zooming fast, electric rides that always last. Snap on parts and off we go, full of life and vertigo. Tiny tools, a family affair, upgrades made with love and care. Chasing thrills on open road, together lightens every load. In the park or by the sea, charged with laughter endlessly. Motors hum and voices cheer, electric family fun's right here.
Going on. So In that last clip, as you can see, I got the Kenda Quick mounted on the rear rim, and not gonna lie, quite a task. I definitely popped an inner tube and had to do the whole thing again, so that was a little bit frustrating, but take your time, use the spoons, try to keep the tire in the center of the rim, and it definitely works out. It's been a couple of days since I shot that clip. I have rode on the setup and it feels so smooth. It's very nice. Also since then, which I'll be showing in a video coming up soon, I had shunt modded a Vever controller that I was given for free, and having a little bit of fun with just messing around modding that controller while I wait for the fire driver to come in. But other than that, I'm gonna wrap that up for this video. That's the Kenda Quicks 100 by 90s by 12 mounted up on the 48 volt SuperMoto for the price of the 36 volt front rim, 2 Kenda Quick tires, and 2 inner tubes. So not bad at all. Came out to about 130, 140 bucks. All of it ordered off Amazon. Can't beat that. Tune in for the next episode. Peace.